Hi, my name is Ya. This is my sister Jia Yi. Today I want to share some about information biomass power generation. Biomass power generation is the processes of producing power and heat by the combusting woods, agricultural waste, and animals waste. That is the technicals use biomass which come from plants, animals, and organic waste, making it a renewable and sustainable energy sources. Next is the principles of the biomass power generations. Biomass power is generated by turning organic matter into energy by combustions, gasifications, anaerobic digestions, or pyrolysis. Besides that, the released energy creates steam which power turbines and generated electricity. The sustainable sourcing and emission reductions are important factors. How power is generated from biomass? First of all, there are collections and preparations. The biomass products including wood chips, wood remaining foods, and sewerage are collected. It often gets rice and tractors to ensure maximum and combustions or convections. Next, we'll choose the metal convections. Type of metal to convection which is combustions, gasifications, anaerobic digestions, and pyrolysis. If choose the combustion method, biomass is burned in the boilers to generate high-pressure steams. The steam power a turbines connected to a generators and generates energy. Next step is the electricity generations. The combustion processes provide thermal or chemical energy, which power turbines and generators to produce electricity. Next is the emission control. The emission control systems such as scrubbers and filters to reduce the pollution. Lastly, the electricity distributions. Generated electricity is fed into the power lines for supplies to homes, factories, and so on. Besides that, this is the advantages of biomass power generations. First is the renewables and sustainables. The biomass is replenishable and reused depending on fossil fuels. Next is also reduce greenhouse gases emissions. The biomass absorbs CO2 during growth and offset things emissions. Third, it will provide local energy solutions to support the rural economies by using local biomass resources. And last, it to utilize waste materials to convert agriculture's industrials and municipal waste into energy. The biomass power generation also have the disadvantages. First is the emissions can occur if not properly controlled, and emissions can occur, and the poor emissions control can release of pollutants including the particulates, metals, and carbon monoxide. During the biomass power generation, it will require large land area. Large-scale biomass requirements significant land for cultivations. Lastly, it will the higher cost and facility requirements. The biomass power plants require significant investments. And all facilities need large capital costs such as biomass power plants. That's all.